Do you think this dog deserves this? This guy suddenly spilled the snacks all over the floor. When his dog saw this, he immediately attempted to run away. But before he can make his move, the guy grabs him, places him gently on the sofa, then sprints off like nothing happened. Wife enters the crime scene, asking, "Who did this?" The husband yells that he was folding clothes. The dog, sensing betrayal, jumps down, runs to her, then barks, like he was saying he's innocent.
我这手上还一啥，还能咋子？
那活该噻。
你肯定搞这一。
Here's the question.